Me onto to the next adventure. Super windy, I hope you can hear me. We go and take the ferry now. Ready? Because I am and you are too, I know. Alright, where is the ferry now? Look how nice here. Wow, they have also baklava, trileche, everything. Wow, fantastic. Alright guys, I really don't know now where is this Emirgan Ferry Dock, but might be there, I think. Let's go and ask someone. I think it's this one, but I don't know when it departs. Wow, I would love to do the same, to swim a bit now. Oh man, so nice. Mishmi, the entrance is here, I think. You can ask someone. There is a gentleman there to ask, is it? I think yes. Hello. Beşiktaş ferry. 1 o'clock? Yeah. Okay. Ticket? Where? Istanbulkart. How much is it? 45 dirham. Okay, so I pay here, yeah? Thank you, sir. Very, very nice, guys. He told me we can use the Istanbulkart. Let's top it up a bit because I don't know how much money we have there. Let's wait for the lady to finish and then we go now. Top it up too, guys. And he told me it's at 1 p.m. 1 o'clock, so that means that is like in 30 minutes. Okay, let's change the language. Next. Italiano, Istanbul ricarica, read yes. Let's add 100 more. We use Revolut. Waiting, attendere prego. Ricarica eseguita correttamente. Good. We don't need the receipt. Good. So we need to wait here, I guess, no? I wait here, yeah? I wait here. Love it. Super happy. I guess we're gonna walk from here. Okay. Amici miei, I have the electric plug here and I'm gonna charge a bit my phone because it's really low, the battery. And I guess we're gonna stay a bit inside because it's really super hot and sunny outside. But yeah, we might go after, before the boat comes. I just found it is like deadline with all the timings for the ferry. Amici miei, I think it's coming, it's that one. And should stop here. Oh boy, that was close. Thank you. Here we are, guys. You can stay everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna get in because it's very windy. How much? 20. Let's grab our water, guys. No gas, huh?
No.
Okay, guys, let's grab this water and let's sit somewhere here. Wow. Amici miei, let's try to go a bit outside here. I know it's windy, but let's do it, no? That's why we are here. For this, here you can sit even outside. I see now. This place to sit. Fantastic. Look at this. Wow, look at this. How nice is this? It only costed like less than €1, I think. 1 USD. Well, let's not forget the bags, guys. Let's go a bit in the end here. I'm really curious to see the flag there actually. Wow, look at this, how nice. With the Turkish flag here. And here you can see all the zone. Fantastic. So happy we took the ferry. Wow, the flag is flying high, guys. And there we have the bridge. There is another flag there. I'm not sure which flag is that. That one, I think it's a football team. But look how nice it is here. Wow, super nice. Let's go a bit around and see. Look at this. There is like a castle there. I don't know what it is, that castle. But look, you can see here all the Bosphorus in Istanbul. There are two guys here. They told me they are originally from Montenegro. In the meantime, we're gonna continue our cruise because it looks like a cruise. It's so nice. Guys, this is the Arnavutköy that we watched before we were there. And then look how huge is this. Wow. All this zone was the Albanian village because according to ChatGPT, Albanians had administrative and military roles here in the Ottoman Empire. We arrived in another stop, ferry stop, at the dock. Indeed, the boat stopped, but it's not ours. There, I think I see the flag of Egypt. I think it might be the consulate of Egypt there. They told me the guys here, the people here is the military thing. So there are like the school of military, I guess. And here you can see the other mosque. What is that tower? That tower there. I'm asking what is that tower, guys. Look.
Galatasaray Island.
Yeah.
Galatasaray Island.
Ah, okay. Galatasaray Island is there. Look. You see the flags anyway. But yeah, I don't know what is that tower actually. That big tower you see there. Whew. Guys, that one is like the signal center. Probably it's for the phone, I guess. Mobile phone. I don't know. And this bridge, the bridge, what was the name? July 15 Martyrs Bridge. Okay. So it's July 15 Martyrs Bridge. This one. Wow, so many bridges here. Asia? Europa. Asia? Europa, Asia, okay. Ah, that one is the Asian side, guys, and this one is the European side. I thought it was the opposite. That one was the European, and this one was the Asian. But no, this one is the Asian. Okay. Look at the bridge here, guys. The July 15 bridge, they told me, is called the Martyrs Bridge. One of the bridges that cross from the Asian side to the European side. Amazing. Not here, next. Beşiktaş. Ciao. Bye. Ciao. Ciao. Guys, next is ours, I think. So might as well go down. Let's go down somewhere here because the exit is indeed down. Right, let's try to not fall here. And there is another view here. Sir, Beşiktaş?
9.
No.
After.
Okay. Ortaköy? Wow, guys, look at this at the mosque of Ortaköy. How nice is this? Look. So relaxing, this ferry. Wow. Highly suggested, guys, to not take the bus, take the ferry, and you're gonna really enjoy this trip. Because anyway, as you saw, this ferry does not go direct from where was it? Emirgan, I think it's called, to Beşiktaş. It stops to several ferry docks, so more or less like a bus. Beşiktaş? Next is confirmed, guys, is Beşiktaş. Is our stop. Wow, look at Galatasaray University. Because I told you, Galatasaray is from Galata, the Galata Tower we saw yesterday. Çırağan Palace, guys. Here the Ottomans, the sultans used to make like parties and celebration. It's very nice inside, huh? Wow. Look at the Ottoman style. Fantastic. And it's still used for celebration, I think. And you see there are a lot of boats, guys, in the Bosphorus. European and Asian. European, Asian side. Let's not mix it up. I thought this was the European one. We're gonna get off in a bit, I guess. Here we are, guys. In pole position. Beşiktaş İskelesi. Let's go. Thank you. Let's go, guys. Here, passenger exit. Beşiktaş. Ah, we go straight from here. Fantastic. Vamos. How nice was this, guys? What an experience. For only what? It was like 2 euros, 2 USD, even less. I don't know. Where is it? Nice music. I like this music. Let's try to not get run over as well. Ready to roll. This way, I guess. I don't know where we are actually, to be honest with you. I really have no idea where we are. Beşiktaş, yes, but yeah, there is a statue there. We're gonna watch it after. These are artisanal, I think. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Look how nice. It's like a small market here. These I think are handmade. Look at this. I don't know. I forgot the name in English. Like bambole in Italian. Let's go this way and let's go and look who is this guy here. He's a sultan, I think, guys. Looks like. Look at the, how do you say, the hat? Yeah, that's the hat of a sultan, isn't it? Who is this person? I want to know. Barbaros Meidani. Who are you? Barbaros Meidani. Who is this guy?